Hi guys, mamamasyal muna ang inyong ninang. Laan nyo kung saan papunta ang ninang. Wait lang guys. Ayan, we're on the way to Ballarat guys. Ayan, gala-gala pag may time. Ayan. So try natin mag-mine ng ginto. Baka makarami tayo ng gold. Look at that. Look at the weather. Look at the views. Oh my God. Medyo malayo to sa Kabayanan. So lampas tayo ng Kabayanan guys. Look at that. First time makakarating ng ninang dito kaya samahan nyo ako. Update ko kayo later guys pag nakarating tayo doon. Look at that. Bye!